physics, quantum elements of quantum mechanics, atomic spectra and molecular spectra, Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapith. Origin of the quantum theory and photoelectric effect in quadrics of classical mechanics. There are following in quadrics of classical mechanics: the non-relative motion of atoms and subatomic particles like electron, proton, etc. cannot be explained. Many difficulties were encountered in explaining the phenomena like stability of atom, photoelectric effect, uh, Compton effect, optical line spectra, etc. It could not explain the origin of discrete spectra of atoms. Photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is the emission of electron when light strikes on a metal surface. The emitted electrons are called photoelectrons. Compton effect. When X-rays of a sharply defined frequency were incident on a material of low atomic number like carbon, then they suffered a change in frequency on scattering. The scatter beam contains two wavelengths in addition to the except incident wavelength. There exists a line of longer wavelength h. The change of wavelength is due to the loss of energy of incident X-ray. This elastic interaction is known as Compton effect. Compton shift. The phenomena giving rise to modified radiation is called Compton shift. It is represented by del lambda. Del lambda बराबर एच बटा के एम जीरो सी स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 1 माइनस कास थीटा, where h प्लांक नियतांक, m जीरो रेस्ट ऑफ मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, c स्पीड ऑफ लाइट, थीटा डिफ्रैक्शन एंगल. Wave particle duality. De Broglie principle. The phenomena of interference and diffraction is successfully explained by the wave theory of light. However, the principle failed to explain the photoelectric effect, the Compton effect, etc. These phenomena have, however, been explained on the basis of Planck quantum theory. According to this theory, a beam of light of frequency v is composed of small packets called photon, each photon having an energy where hv, where h is Planck constant. Thus light possesses a dual character and behave as wave as well as particle. Photon it can be एज ई बराबर एम जीरो बटा के अंडर रूट में 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर बटा के सी स्क्वायर. द ब्राउली वेवलेंथ ऑफ मैटर. द वेवलेंथ ऑफ ए वेव एसोसिएटेड with moving particle depends upon the mass of particle and its velocity. लैम्डा बराबर एच बटा के एम वी बराबर एच बटा के पी, वेयर पी मोमेंटम ऑफ मटेरियल पार्टिकल, एच प्लांक कांस्टेंट, एम mass of particle. Then de Broglie wavelength of the particle will be lambda बराबर एच बटा के अंडर रूट में 2m0 के. Thus matter wave have been used in electron microscope. Phase velocity v subscript p. The ratio of angular frequency omega to the propagation constant k is known as wave velocity or phase velocity. v subscript p बराबर n lambda बराबर ओमेगा बटे के, where ओमेगा बराबर angular frequency के बराबर 2 पाई बटा लैम्डा प्रोपेगेशन कांस्टेंट. ग्रुप वेलोसिटी v सफिक्स में g. द वेलोसिटी विथ विच ए वेव पैकेट मूव्स फॉरवर्ड इन द मीडियम इज कॉल्ड ग्रुप वेलोसिटी v सफिक्स में g, और द वेलोसिटी ऑफ विच आर मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड द ग्रुप ऑफ वेव एडवांस इन द मीडियम. दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रुप वेलोसिटी v सफिक्स में g. v सफिक्स में g बराबर डी ओमेगा बटा के डी के. Relation between phase velocity Vp and group velocity Vg. The group velocity V suffix में g is less than the phase velocity V is given by V suffix में g बराबर V suffix में p minus lambda d Vp बटे d lambda. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It states that we can measure either the position or the moment of a particle with any desired degree of accuracy, but it is impossible to measure both the position and moment simultaneously with unlimited accuracy. In x direction, del p suffix में x into del x is greater than or equal h बटा के 2 pi. In y direction, del p सफिक्स में y इंटू del y इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल एच बटा 2 पाई. या जेड डायरेक्शन भी पी सफिक्स में जेड बराबर इंटू del जेड इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल एच बटा 2 पाई. इन टर्म्स ऑफ एंगुलर मोमेंटम एल एंड एंगुलर पोजीशन फाई del एल इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल एच बटा 2 पाई. इन टर्म ऑफ एनर्जी ऑफ बोर ऑर्बिट्स एंड times of transition del t is greater than or equal h beta 2 pi. Application of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Following are the application of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Non-existence of electron is nucleus. to find the radius of Bohr first orbit. तीसरा binding energy of an electron is an atom. चौथा 0 point energy of harmonic oscillation. पांचवा finite with spectral lines. Complementary principle. According to the complementary principle, the wave of and the particle except of matter and light and complementary rather than the being contradictory. Superposition principle. It states that if two wave functions psi1 and psi2 are represent two possible states of a particle, then a possible state the particle is also represented by a combination of psi बराबर a1 psi1 plus a2 psi2, where a1 and a2 are arbitrary complex number independent of position vector r but possibly function of the t. Schrödinger wave equation. Schrödinger wave equation describes the amplitude of the matter wave by a complex quantity psi x, y, z known as wave function or state of system. Schrödinger times independent wave equation del square psi plus 2m बटा के h square e minus v psi बराबर 0, where h बराबर h बटा के 2 pi. Physical interpretation of wave function. The square of the magnitude of the wave function psi mod of psi square r psi if psi is complex evaluate at a particular point is proportional to the probability of finding the particle at that point. The function of psi satisfied that minus infinity to infinity del mod में psi square d tau बराबर 1 is called normalized wave function. psi में x, y, z, t बराबर a plus ib. Expectation value of dynamical variable. According to Max Born, the expectation value of dynamical quantity described in the way of function psi is the average value of quantity weight by the probability of observing that value. Expectation value of momentum p बराबर psi star p psi dt and expectation value of potential energy u भी बराबर समाकलन psi star कोष्ठक बंद r t u कोष्ठक में r psi r t dt. In Hurst theorem, this theorem states that the Schrödinger wave equation leads to the result which satisfies the classical law of motion of average non-classical p suffix में x बटे m बराबर dx बटा dt and dp suffix में x बटा dt बराबर fx. Normalization of wave equation. A function will be normalized if n 1/n समाकलन psi star psi d tau बराबर 1 tends to समाकलन 1/n psi 1/n psi star dr बराबर 1, where 1/n is normalizing factor and psi n is normalized wave function. Orthogonality of wave function. The wave function are said to be the mutual orthogonal if psi star समाकलन psi I स्टार psi j dr tau बराबर समाकलन psi j स्टार psi I dr tau बराबर 0 for I is not greater than j. Application of Schrödinger equation. Square potential. Well, if a particle with the potential energy V moves along the x-axis between x बराबर 0 to x बराबर a infinitely high walls of a box satisfy the following condition: V बराबर 0 for 0 is greater than or equal x is greater than or equal a, and V बराबर infinite for x is greater than 0, x is less than 0 and x is greater than a, then if a particle moves with energy V along the x-axis in square potential well which has the finite width of a and also satisfy the following condition within three region: V x बराबर 0 V when 0 is greater than or equal 0 is less than or equal x is less than or equal L, V x is equal to infinite when x is less than 0 and x is greater than L. Particle of one dimensional mass. If a particle of mass m is free to move in a box of length a and no any force is applied on it, then it collision there is not energy loss potential barrier, a region containing a maximum of potential that prevent a particle on one side of it from passing to the other side. However, in quantum theory there is a finite probability that a particle with less energy will pass through the barrier. Rectangular potential barrier. If a particle travel with energy E along x-axis with its own path, a rectangular potential barrier of height V0 is greater than E, and with a then the transmission constant of a particle it will be t बराबर t की पावर माइनस 4 पाई a बटा के h अंडर रूट में 2m कोष्टक में V0 माइनस e. लीनियर हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर. पैराबोलिक पोटेंशियल वेल. ए पार्टिकल विच is bound to be an equilibrium position by a force which is proportional to the displacement of the position it. A single harmonic oscillator Fx is equal to minus kx, where k is the force constant. 0 point energy. The energy level are equally spaced and quantities. It is obvious that even the lowest state n बराबर 0 the system has energy 1/2 h omega E 0 बराबर 1/2 h omega. Atomic spectra. Hydrogen spectra. When an hydrogen atom consists of a number of lines that is called spectrum of hydrogen atom. These lines have been grouped into the number of series. The line in each series are such that their separation of intensity decreases angular toward a shorter wavelength. Converging to limit is called the series of limit. V बार बराबर 1 अपन लेमडा बराबर r कोष्टक में 1 बटे n1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बटे n2 का स्क्वायर. स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ ड्यूट्रॉन. टू explain the spectral line it associated assumed that the normal hydrogen atom have a small percentage of an isotope of heavy hydrogen is called deuterium, whose atomic mass is twice that of the ordinary hydrogen. The deuteron nucleus is known as the deuteron as it constitutes the phenomena of a proton as well as neutron is known as spectra of deuteron. Double fine structure. In atomic physics, the fine structure describe the splitting of the spectral lines of atom due to electron spin. A relativity correction due to non-relativity. Schrödinger equation. Alkali spectra. The spectral line of an alkali spectra arise due to the transition of electron loosely bound to the alcoholic atom only with